Hello everybody, welcome to Sure Shot Archery. Anthony here, and in this video I want to share with you Sure Shot Archery's affordable stainless steel weights. Now, stainless steel is probably the weight of choice for most archers out there, especially when you're first getting into archery and you need some weight on your riser or you need some weight on your stabilizer. Stainless steel is pretty much the way to go. Aluminum is usually too light, and for the most part, tungsten's usually too expensive, unless you have Sure Shot Archery tungsten weights. But first off, you usually want to start with stainless steel, so you can get your feet wet in the whole weight distribution on your bow, and how you like your bow set up, with those weights. So here we are with affordable stainless steel weights, starting with 1 ounce and working our way all the way up to solid 4 ounce weights. We have 2 colors, black and silver, that complement most of the accessories on your bow pretty well. With that, as for the holes that let you screw these onto your riser or your stabilizer, we offer 5/16 24 and we offer 1/4 20. Now 1/4 20 is the much thinner threaded rod than the 5/16, and some manufacturers for some reason have decided to stop carrying this. Now there are still brands out there that use 1/4 20, so Sure Shot Archery is here to fill the gap, not only to supply 1/4 20 weights from 1 to 4 ounces in both black and silver, but we're going to do it at a really affordable price as well. Now as for the diameter of these weights, you are looking at 1.25 inches. So basically standard size, and they're going to fit a majority of the stabilizers out there. The only other size is 1 inch, and we currently, as of making this video, do not carry those, but these weights will still fit on those bows as long as you have 5/16 or 1/4 inch threads. These will fit. We also sell adapters and threaded rods. So if you have a 1/4 inch stabilizer, where it needs a 1/4 inch rod, you can thread it up to a 5/16 if you want to switch everything to 5/16. We let you customize with that. That is also available at sureshotarchery.com. Regardless of if you need 5/16 or 1/4 20 in stainless, we have you covered. Definitely check out the website. Link will be down below to sureshotarchery.com. There you can get the pricing on all the weights. We charge the same price for silver or black. It's just a matter of if you want 1, 2, 3, or 4 ounce, and the price will vary from there. You can even get these in Europe and all across the globe. So check them out at sureshotarchery.com. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, happy shooting.